Hello, hello. We are preparing to leave Nauvis. Last time, I started building the wall. So it's already built a little bit over here. But this is a tiny section compared to the entire perimeter. So we need to really speed this up, because Vulcanus is going to be researched in the next 4 hours, if we want to leave immediately as soon as it's researched. And also, in addition to the wall, the other thing that is needed to be done is the spaceship itself. Right now I only have one spaceship. This one, that's doing the science. And we'll need another one. I already have a second platform, which is empty, built. Maybe I can start planning this at least. Let's see, what do I want? The biggest question is, do I want to produce ammo on this spaceship or not? Or do I just send it from the surface? Let's start with not ammo though. So we obviously will need a thruster. We will obviously need a thruster. Thruster means that I will need the things that hold the fuel for it. Now, how much fuel do I want is another question. For fuel, I will need to be making two things. This left thing is going to be oxidizer. I'm going to just do a single thruster for now and make a small ship as possible, maybe. So we have the oxidizer and the fuel on two sides with two storage tanks. This requires iron ore and this requires carbon. So I don't even need to smelt anything, right? I just need to process my asteroids. We have asteroid collector. Let's have two of them. And at the top somewhere. The question is, how big is my top? I will need 3 crushers. One for iron, one for this, one for ice. Oh yeah, and ice goes for the water everywhere. Yes, that's right. Which means that I will need to melt the water like that. Crush metallic chunks, crush carbonic chunks. And this is going to be water. For ice over there. This over here. This needs to filter back the asteroid chunk. Then I have the belt for asteroid chunks. I will also need to delete the asteroid chunks if I have too many of some of them. Let's say that this over on the right is the deletion. I will read the whole belt and I will subtract what I have from what I want at maximum. So at maximum I want a certain amount of asteroids of these types. How big is this belt? Like 32, right? 32 times 4 is like 120. Divided by 3 is going to be 40, right? So like 40 asteroid chunks for each is going to be enough. Maybe even 30. I can set the filters on the collectors instead. Yeah, I can do that too. But like the logic is the same, right? Instead of deleting these things, right? Yeah, sure. Well, I guess the other way around, right? If I filter the things, right? So what I want minus what I have is what I need, right? And then I set this to be the filters. So I want like around 30 of each asteroid type. Also, this will need power, obviously. Crushers. Let's make the crushers automatically. How do you craft a crusher? Steel, electric, and low density. I did set up more electric engines somewhere around here. I have low density around here. Let's steal a little bit of these. Yeah, so like this is low density structures, then we have these plus steel. Okay, that is going to be my crushers. How about the thrusters too while I'm at it? Blue chips in addition. Blue chips are over here too. I can do the same belt with both low densities and the blue chips, like this. So I can make thrusters here. Okay, so 1 stack is more than enough. There you go. I'll wait a little bit. In the meantime, I'll fight more. Alright, they are all going. Alright, so we will need ammo here, right? I was thinking of importing the ammo, but maybe I don't actually import, and instead I just make ammo here. Is 1 furnace going to be enough? I don't think so, right? Alright, but let's do this. Let's say that I want... Let's have a 4000. I'll probably want to have some cargo base. Low density, blue chip, and steel into this thing. That is cargo bay. There you go, the ammo is working. How's about power? I guess I will need a little bit more. So this is making me 5 per minute, right? If I want like 4000, that's 1000 minutes. That's when it's stationary, obviously. I'm only collecting from the front. Another time scale. Okay, that's 1 hour, sure, yeah. 33 per minute, okay. Not bad. 37 per minute in the last minute, okay. But I will want to have the turrets. How many turrets do I want? Let's have this much. I hate the fact that they don't build me undergrounds. Did I say that already? Because I really hate it. This needs to be filtered. The ammo. And this is going to be good enough, right? And then the question is, do I want more of them a little bit on the side? If it's stationary, then I definitely will want that. Have here, and here. And here, and here. 65%. It's around 3 hours now, right? 3 hours, 12 minutes. 1800 SPM. I'm afraid I will not be able to finish the wall in that time, which means that, I don't know, it means one of the two things. Either we are actually leaving Nauvis without protection, which could be fun, or we just travel later when I finish the wall. And like, why am I, like, maybe I shouldn't be killing the things too much out, and instead just make the wall in these places, even though I'm going to be polluting the enemies. I just don't like hearing the notifications very often, you know, of something being destroyed. And if they are going to be inside my pollution cloud, I'm going to hear a lot of notifications, right? Alright, it seems like this spaceship is ready. Is 2 storage tanks going to be enough to reach Vulcanus? I think it will be. So that's all that I need, right? Unless this is going to be not enough turrets, which may be the case, because I don't have any damage upgrades. Let's have 2 more. 2.5 hours. I feel like to finish the wall here, I want like the way I want it to be. I need like 10 more hours. I mean, maybe it's a good like idea to just not finish the wall, but like go to Vulcanus and then go back once I set it up. You know, I just need to be quick, make sure that nothing dies in the meantime. So yeah, maybe if I just kill everything inside my pollution cloud right now, it's going to be lasting long enough. So that I can go back, set up Vulcanus and go back. Alright, let's just see how... Let's see in an hour how much territory is going to be cleared. Because if no one is inside my pollution cloud, after an hour... Something has been deleted, actually. I need to fix that. That's going to make my science go down to 900. Okay, I've been fighting pretty well. Pollution almost dropping to 0 here. And to like at least be placing more walls in the easy to identify areas. Is there more easy areas? Over here. I need the wall over here. Because this has been cleared. I need to clear this fully. And then build the wall like over here, I guess. Over here. 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 By the way, I need to fix my iron, right? I'm out of iron. Means that my SPM is going to drop. If I'm almost not polluting anything anymore, I need to go and build a new outpost for iron. Let's see, I have a couple pinned irons. There's one over here. One over here. And I think that those are like the only irons inside my current pollution cloud. Let's do this one. 1, 2, 3... this, that. There we go. The wall is being attacked, but nothing is actually being deleted. This wall is inside the pollution cloud. So we'll see if this actually like survives. So far they didn't delete a single wall, so it's okay, I guess. Is the wall done? No, the wall is not done. The wall is down in some places. Let's see, I have the wall over here on the top left, on the left. So, and over here on the bottom. That's all the wall that I have. It's not a lot, right? I'm running behind schedule. Yeah, we're thinking that maybe I will be going to Vulcanus without finishing the wall. Yeah, I was going to see how much I can clear in an hour, and the hour has basically passed. I am still polluting the biters, although almost no longer polluting. Let's see the iron production. So I built this new thing. I now am making 31,000. Is 31,000 enough? I actually need more than that, right? I need 32. Probably need another outpost for iron. Check landmine count. Buildings. Alright, in the last hour I did 18,000. 300 landmines per minute, which is 5 landmines a second. On the overall, it's still not a million. Only 787,000. Rookie numbers, yeah. Okay, actually go through. Is this outside of the pollution cloud? A little bit, yes. So I'm polluting them. Alright. That's why I did the flamethrowers pointing towards each other too. But this also means that if I only use the flamethrowers like this, inside of the pollution cloud, further in, I'm going to have not a good time, right? So I think I need to make it outside. Like, let's say that my flamethrower was not over here, but like further out. How would it prevent the biter from starting to chew on this wall? It doesn't matter. If I have more range, it doesn't matter, because like my flamethrower right now only starts shooting when it's right next to the wall, right? But if I make it closer, then it will start shooting earlier, but it will shoot at the like at the place where there is no longer going to be biter because of the delay of the flame itself. It doesn't matter. Speeders are also going to bite on the wall. They're not going to spit on it. The only thing that would make it die faster if I could shoot multiple flamethrowers at the same time at this dude. So I could like have more flamethrowers. What? Also, just realized that I need for this planet. Okay, everything is on the way already. That's good. I will need also some concrete. 1000 concrete. Rocket silo needs also pipes and blue chips. So yeah, I want blue chips. Also for launching a couple rockets, right? Low density this and rocket fuel. I just requested the items that will allow me to go back for building the rocket silo and launching like a rocket, basically. That I can go back myself. And this is just for kickstarting the base. You don't need to go back, just send your ship. No, I will need to go back to kill more enemies, of course. I guess the land mining is going to continue even though we're going to Vulcanus, because I did not finish it yet. I feel like I will just set up the starter base on Vulcanus, go back and be like finishing my wall. Okay. I'm going over here towards my rockets. We have 3 minutes until it's done. I am, with myself, I'm carrying just like literally this setup, right? Energy shield is not very useful, but I feel like this amount of batteries is like, for Vulcanus especially, is more than enough. Personal roboport? I don't have it researched. I don't need it. I'll just mine a couple rocks manually, it's fine. These things are being destroyed, but it's fine. There was an expansion somewhere. Alright, do I kill that expansion? This one. 2 minutes. Alright, whatever. They are not going to kill my base. Even if they kill, like, this crude oil, it doesn't matter much, right? If they kill, like, something, it's okay. I'll let this thing die. Let's just go into space right now. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see, I have 3,500 ammo here, so hopefully this is going to be enough. I only have 1 thruster here on this spaceship and like 12 turrets. I don't know if this is enough, no idea. Alright, 29 seconds. Alright, it's researched. It is researched. The next research is Fulgora, and here we go. At station, Vulcanus, go. Bye. Alright. I'm just going to go at a relatively slow speed, right? This single thruster looks like can only do 80 kilometers per second, which is fine. Bye, biters. So I have 0 damage upgrades, by the way. I have no damage upgrades. But it looks like at this speed, this is more than enough turrets. Oh shit, that was close actually. Maybe it's good that I don't have more thrusters. Here we go. This is Vulcanus. How much ammo used? Let's see. 1000 ammo used exactly? Alright guys, I'm not going to even land there. We are going to land and see what's up there next time. Thank you again for watching. Bye.